Hello, welcome to EC Council's CSCU demo videos. This video will show you how to rename an administration account in Windows 10. Click on the Search tab present on the taskbar and type in Edit Group Policy. Then click on the topmost search result that appears. In the Local Group Policy Editor, click Computer Configuration. In the Computer Configuration window, click on Windows Settings to access security settings. From the options available in this window, click on Security Settings, then Local Policies. In the Local Policies window, you will find Security Options. Click on this. Among the options that appear, select and click on Rename Administrator Account. While renaming the administrator account, ensure that the new name does not include the word admin. Click on Apply to confirm change in account name, and then click on OK to close the window. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other demo videos for more such security tips.